Hi, Trini. Look at the camera. That's the second time.
Hi.
Can't even see her face. She's really dark. She's really dark. Well, hi. What you doing?
Homework.
Okay.
That you should be doing.
Oh, I have homework for Gomez, but I don't want to do it. Stupid song.
Okay, that's my homework.
I don't care. How many of you guys have heard that song, the Willow Smith song, the I Whip My Hair Back? I Whip My Hair. The song is so dumb. It's like a mixture. Dumb, because why would you whip your hair back and forth? Shut up. He likes it.
While I'm watching porn.
Whoa.
That's funny, ain't it?
No, it's not really that funny. I mean, our brothers are really weird. I mean, we're weird too, but not as weird as they are. You're lame, Tinny. It's a Wednesday and she's doing homework. Wait, today Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Today's Wednesday.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Thanksgiving is tomorrow.
I know. Wednesday. We're not gonna make a video tomorrow. Happy day, go.
Sorry.
You like my pencil?
Oh, but if you like zoom in really good, really close to her, you see she has like glitter on. Why? Because this Dumbo right here, she put makeup on all over her freaking face, like foundation and eyeshadow and eyeliner, and she put it on Milo, my little brother. He's like, how old is he again? He's 6. Wait. He's 6, yeah.
It's funny because we didn't even know how old he is.
I know. Look, a peacock feather.
I made that pencil.
You didn't make squat.
Yes, but I got tape. And taped it on.
It's not even real tape. It's like something she holds the pipe to it or something. I don't know.
No.
Oh, but look, I like totally re-edited my wall. Jacob.
Emmett.
I got him for Christmas. But my favorite cousin like ever.
His name is Antoine.
Yeah, his name is Antoine, and I think he's gonna be watching this video like later. And he's like super awesome, like me said. And he's like my bestest cousin like ever. And then
he even knows how to wait, what was I gonna say again?
She's kind of slow, so we gotta excuse her. But yeah, have my Emmett right there, and then my Batman's up there. You see Batman.
And then Superman
reminds us of Baby Ray, which is my little cousin. He's so cute and tiny. I'll put up his video later, and he's dancing to
we'll upload a picture for you.
And he's dancing to Justin Bieber's Baby, because he thinks every time he says baby, baby, he thinks it says Raymond, because his name is Francisco Raymond something.
Raymond Francisco something.
No, it's Francisco. Francisco Raymond, whatever their last name is. And then I have my spider and my masquerade thingy right there. And then my Santa Claus, because I got that when
on vacation for Christmas when I got a pet.
Shut up. I got it when when Tiger Woods' whole drama started and stuff, and like, you know that joke, there was a difference between Santa Claus and Tiger Woods, and then like Santa Claus stops after 3 holes. Yeah, it was really funny to me. And then
it said ho ho ho.
Shut up. Gosh, lady, I'm talking. That's like rude.
I really don't
That's
care.
Rude.
I really
That's
don't
rude.
Care. I don't care.
Rude.
I don't care.
Rude.
I don't care.
Rude.
I don't care. Rude. I don't care.
She's really rude. Oh, look, I have my crayons and my caution tape bowl.
She even cleaned her dresser.
I cleaned all my dresser. Look, and this right here. This. He's my pet rock. I forgot what his name was, but he's my pet rock. And then I have my 15 count that I'm gonna use next year. And then my pew 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 pew. And my ladybug. And my Batman. More Batman and Vans. And more Batman. And Kevin, Lucia, and Myro with a V and a heart. What, nigga?
If you like Katy Perry, the Katy Perry song, Fireworks, you're awesome.
This teddy bear that I forgot who gave me. My football from like last year, a couple years ago. Douche. Gotta ignite this light and let it shine. Irene gave me this. She's like my bestest cousin like ever. I like those songs. Katy Perry, if you like Katy Perry, thumbs up. Material. So, I think we're done.
Bye.
So, yeah, if you like that video, with my hair, but it's kind of dumb, like really, like with my hair, but just going,
And next week we'll be talking about Katy Perry.
Happy Thanksgiving later.